Hi friends! Welcome to Digital School for Kids. Are you ready to play the Ultimate Logo Challenge? Let's go! A white bird on a blue background. Twitter, great start! A half-bitten apple. Apple, well guessed! 4 colored squares forming a window. Microsoft, you got it! A red play button in a white box. YouTube, correct. A white ghost in a yellow square. Snapchat, let's go to the next. A green circle with a mermaid inside. Starbucks, good job! A red N used for watching shows. Netflix, that's right! Amazon, a colorful camera icon. Instagram, a lowercase f in blue. Facebook, correct answer. A blue and white paper airplane. Telegram, well guessed. A green chat bubble with a white phone. WhatsApp, a multicolored capital G. Google, smart choice. A leaping black cat. Puma, fast pick. A red and white circle logo with a swirl. Pepsi, a red triangle pointing right. YouTube Shorts. Guess this one. Discord, correct. Android, smart pick. Can you guess? Gmail, great job. This one. LinkedIn. A rainbow S for video calls. Skype. Hello there. Guess it. KFC. A white P in a red circle. Pinterest. Can you guess? Lufthansa. 2 overlapping red and orange circles. MasterCard. It shows a tree inside a circle, often on boots. Timberland. It is a red O with a shiny 3D look. Opera. Yahoo. Colorful triangle that looks like a kite. Google Play. Guess it. Google Chrome. A red logo with a yellow shell. Shell. Nice guess. A bat logo in black and yellow. Batman, heroic. Guess this one. Honda. Guess it. NASA. Spacewin. A globe with orange curves swirling around it. Firefox. You're on fire. A silver bull inside a shield. Lamborghini. Powerful guess. A red rhombus-like diamond. Mitsubishi. Apache. A black music note with a red and blue glow. TikTok. Great rhythm. And the final one. Internet Explorer. Fantastic finish.